This is exactly how I get YouTube to recommend my old YouTube videos. You heard me right. If your old YouTube videos suddenly stop getting views, it's not that YouTube forget your video. It's just that you gave it reason not to recommend the videos. And the most painful part of it is that most small creators don't even know what they did wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you are doing wrong, why your old videos stop getting recommended, and how you can fix this. All you need to do is to stay from start of this video to the end. Don't miss any step, because after today, those your old videos will start getting recommended again. Maybe your videos have been doing well, getting views, even comment. Suddenly everything stop. You go to analytics, it seems as if your video is dead. I've been there, and here is what I found out. Your video is not dead. It's just that you stop feeding the algorithm with the right signal. And let me be clear with you, YouTube don't push video forever. YouTube push videos that people are currently interested with. So if your videos stop getting recommendation immediately, it tells you one thing, that the system thinks that your videos are no longer interesting. So YouTube pause that video. I'm Shavera. In this channel, I teach small creators, new creators how to grow, monetize, the do's and don'ts they need to avoid here on YouTube. If that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight to the video. The first thing is your retention. People click on your video and did not stay long on your video. YouTube pause that video. Now what you should do, we all know you can't re-edit the videos you have already uploaded. What you should do, go back to that video, watch the first 30 seconds of that video. If the intro is slow or you talk too much before hitting the point, then that is the problem. Just take the correction. The next video, improve your intro and cut off some boring parts on your videos. Number 2 is low CTR. CTR is the ability for your titles and thumbnails to attract people to click on your video. If your CTR is low, it's definitely telling you that your title is weak and your thumbnails are not attractive enough to steal people's attention to watch your video. What you should do is to change the title of that video and change the thumbnail. Don't guess your titles or don't guess your thumbnails. What you should do is that take the title that you want to use for that video, go to YouTube search bar, then search for titles like that. YouTube will generate videos that treat the same topic like yours. Pick the ones that do very well, but don't pick from big YouTubers. Whatever they create, upload, will get views. Take from people that are like 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers, but the videos perform very well. Take those titles, create related thumbnails, then use it on your video. One good thing with YouTube is that the moment you change your titles and thumbnails, YouTube retests that video again. Then the second thing is that the video are not getting fresh traffic. If your videos are no longer getting click, watch time, engagement, YouTube pause that video. So how do you revive this particular video? Is to mention that video in your present video. Use the link of that video on your descriptions. Share that video in other social medias, WhatsApp, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Let that video attract people to watch. Create related video that treat closely topic with that one. Then discuss that video on that particular one. Use it to attract people to that. The number 5th thing you should do for that video is cutting that video into viral clips. I make this video here on how to use this app, OPUS, to turn your long form video into viral clips. And we all know that YouTube is heavily promoting shorts. You use the link of that video on that short, even at the comment section of that short. And also the thumbnail of that video, you can place it on that short. So if that short is very interesting, the moment people watch it finish, it return them back to that long form video. Shorts help you to get more traffic, more visibility to your long form videos. Take advantage of shorts to revive your old long form videos. The next one is your videos were sent to wrong audience. YouTube send your videos to wrong audience. you start getting low retention. That is where people click on your video, they don't care, they don't watch, they leave the video. And what could cause this is when your titles and thumbnail did not match what is in your video. So people clicking is not what they want, they click off. So go back to that video, check the video, the content of that video, if it's exactly what is on the title and thumbnail. If it's not, change it to what is on that video so that people will know what they want to watch before they even click on your video. The sixth one, or the seventh one rather, is people move on quick. Creators, small creators, they don't even know this. You don't just move on your video when your video did not perform very well. The moment you create your videos and you see that that video did not perform very well, you don't move on from that video. And this is one thing big creators don't do. If big creators create their content and upload it, the video did not do well, they change the thumbnail, they change the titles, and they strategize on that video. They start sharing that video, start doing a lot of things to revive that video, and that video will start picking up again. Don't give up on a long form video. What mistake a lot of creators make is that after uploading their video and they notice the video is not performing very well, they will just quickly delete that video. Don't delete any video from your channel, because that video you thought that did not perform well can be one of your viral videos tomorrow. Now, after changing the titles of that video, changing the thumbnails, if possible change the description of that video, and that video did not do well, you share the links of that video and you did everything humanly possible and that video did not still do well, don't delete that video for any reason. Leave that video. Maybe the thumbnail you use for that video and titles you use for that video are not on vogue at that time. I've seen videos that stays like 3 months, 1 year, and the video pick up. I created a video and that video stayed on my channel for more than a year. That video barely get 200 views. Recently, like last month, that video just pick up and it gave me 9.1k views on my other channel. So don't delete any video on your channel because it did not perform very well. Leave the video, and when the time comes, that video will pick up. Your long form video is not dead, it needs a fresh signal. Fix your retention, improve your thumbnails and titles, bring fresh traffic to that video. So if you want to know how to revive your videos to start getting thousands of views, watch this video here and know how to automatically revive your dead long form video to start going viral again. I know you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and see you when next I come. Bye bye.